Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on a rapid TV app. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on rapid TV. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.